Okay, now we'll talk about the symptom. We'll talk about an overcharge. So let's see what happens with an overcharge. So we put like too much air in a tire. We're putting too much Freon in the system. So automatically, just like air in the tire goes up, guess what happens next? The pressures go up. So you're going to automatically, with an overcharge, have higher than normal pressures. Okay? Now, you have more refrigerant in the system. So in the condenser, when it's getting rid of its heat, you're going to have more refrigerant, more liquid coming out of the condenser. More refrigerant condensing means more liquid, so your subcooling is going to be greater. Okay? Now, what happens when you have more liquid going in the evaporator? It takes longer for it to boil off. So the gas at the bottom is less, which means less superheat. The pressure's going up, the compressor's working harder, higher amps with an overcharge. Now, what's your delta T going to do? Well, we had 75 and 55 with a 20-degree delta T. But notice, with an overcharge, you're losing capacity to cool, right? So guess what's going to happen here? As the room temperature goes up, you're going to have a smaller delta T. So your delta T is not going to be the same. Or it could be about the same, or it could increase. It just depends on the system. So I'm not really going to touch too much on that delta T right now. These right here automatically should tell you you have an overcharge. Okay, so those are the symptoms of an overcharge.